Mehta committee report spoke with Neha Bothra to discuss the first milestone of the project Sakshat. Over 20 banks are expected to sign the intercreditor agreement today, and Mehta says this will speed up the resolution of loans worth nearly 3.1 lakh crores. Let's listen in.
Hopefully 25 by end of the day.
All right, hopefully 25 by the end of the day. Do explain to us how this will revolutionize the entire process when it comes to the cleanup of bad loans.
So, this is one of the building blocks for the resolution of stress assets. As I had mentioned during the press conference that we have made 5 key recommendations. One, of course, is for the smaller assets, which are basically 50 crores and below, then 50 crores to 500 crores and 500 crores and above. So if you look at 50 crores and below, there are about 2,10,000 crores of assets, stress assets in that category amongst the banks, and as of March 31. So we have suggested a very templated process there, where the banks can actually move quite expeditiously in taking a decision within 90 days for resolution of those assets. And that sort of enables the assets not to get impaired, the employment to be preserved, and then of course to become productive once again. The same is the case with 50 to 500 crores assets. There the intercreditor agreement comes in very handy for the banks to work together to find the right resolution for the assets that are in the stress category. So this becomes really the true building block for the resolution in those category of assets, and of course even for the larger assets that are there, because if the banks can work in a collaborative manner and find an efficient process for resolution within the 180-day time frame that the RBI has stipulated, I think we are very positive that the value preservation and the employment creation will continue.
Sir, I remember you mentioned that while drafting the ICA, you paid particular focus on the RBI circular released on the 12th of Feb. Both in letter and spirit, you wanted them to be in accordance. Could you highlight some areas where you have had to dwell a little more to ensure that there's no overlap as far as what RBI wants and what the ICA will finally bring about?
So, when we started working on the ICA, our basic endeavor there was to make sure that the ICA is completely aligned to the February 12th circular, and that's what it actually delivers upon. So